I bought this buffet from a thrift store for $30. I'm going to be giving it a makeover and selling it for a profit. I began by sanding off all the ugly brown paint, taped off the base of the buffet, and then I stained the top a dark walnut, sealed it with a water-based polyurethane. Then I primed the bottom drawers and the buffet base, painted it this beautiful sage green color. Then I cut out little sticks on my table saw. I removed the shutters from the cabinet door, and then I glued down all of the sticks. I freshened up the old hardware with some gold spray paint, and just a quick reminder of what this buffet used to look like, and here it is now, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I spent $40 to buy and redo this piece, and I listed it for $400. Be sure to subscribe for more furniture flips.